never passed a resolution condemning anything without specifying what we're condemning. So, pwede bang sabihin, hindi ko gusto yung sinabi ni Senator Marcoleta sa CA. Hindi po. I saw the statement of Senator Lacson. I saw the other statements. Specify nila kung ano sinabi niya. Nakita ko statement ni Senator Marcoleta. Clarify niya. At least malinaw. Eto parang carte blanche na lang. Lahat ng sabihin ng Chinese ambassador, mali. Paano kung sinabi niya, good morning? Paano kung sinabi niya, ni hao? Good morning. Kinokondemn natin yon. Bawal na mag-good morning sa Pilipinas? Oh. You might say it's obvious na hindi yun ang kinokondemn. There's no such thing as obvious. The records of the Senate will bear this resolution and the discussions in this August hall. But anyone can add and subtract if it's general. So which statements are we talking about so that we in the minority, in the opposition, can be able to debate? That's why I started out today by simply saying, pagdating sa South China Sea, sa West Philippine Sea, nagkakaisa tayo, magkakasama tayo. Atin ito, ipaglaban natin to. Pero pagdating sa bastusan, out kami dyan. Kasi yung tama is tama, mali is mali. So ang question po ngayon, what will we do, gentleman from the esteemed senator, gentleman from Pampanga and the author, will you supply us or will we annex or add whereases so that we will see ano ba tong statements na to?
Mr. President, I think the whereases are clear. Just a little bit of research on the part of the researchers will confirm what we are referring to. We don't need to annex all of them, Mr. President. For example, in response to the public statements of the Embassy of the People's Republic of China that opposed and criticized these positions and questioned the propriety of Philippine officials expressing such views in the performance. So it's specified, the nature of the statements. So a little bit of research, malalaman mo na which statements were these, because this refers to...
Point of order, Mr. President. Point of order.
What is the point of order?
The statements of Senator Pangilinan, the nature of his statements. Kayo na mag-research kung ano statements na yun, Mr. President. Sabi niya, pwede daw yun eh.
Mr. President,
I-research na lang daw natin.
I'm not yet done.
No, that's why I
Philippine officials, including members of the Senate. May I just be... I am still
It's a
speaking,
point of
Mr.
order, Mr.
President.
President. A point of order precedes your precedence.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, maybe ask the minority floor leader to state the point of order. Which part of the rules was
Mr. President.
which part of the rules was
Wala.
violated?
I'm making a point, Mr. President, that you cannot make a motion and then say, i-research mo na lang yung laman. Sabi kasi niya, pwede mo daw ipasa to, tapos nandyan naman yung nature. Ano ngang statements?
Mr. President,
So in the
this is a
same manner,
debate.
Mr. President, I
Where
admit
is the point
my
of order?
motion, may I finish?
Where is the point
my
of order,
motion
Mr. President?
for
Where is the point of
out
order?
motion.
Suspended.